Hi, good morning. So today's tutorial video will be focusing on the use of pronouns. So I will tell you the meaning of pronouns, like what are pronouns, why do we use them in sentences, why are they so important, and then we can use some examples to understand the idea much better, plus some activities, alright? So if you have any questions on how to use them in sentences, you know what to do. Just keep on watching the video because I will explain to you everything that you need to know. Alright, so let's start. So basically, what are actually pronouns? Like, why do we need to have pronouns when we talk? Pronouns are actually words that we need to use to replace the proper nouns. Pronouns are really important when it comes to speaking and writing. Why? Say, for example, you are talking about someone. So if you say, Jack lives in the state, this is a sentence. The second sentence, maybe you want to add more information about Jack. So you can't be repeating the word Jack over and over and over. So what do you need to do? You need to use pronoun, which is he. He lives in maybe somewhere, or he works as a doctor, or he has 2 children, or things like that. Use of he is replacing the proper noun Jack. That is why pronouns are important to be used because they replace the proper noun. Number 2, what are pronouns? Actually, there are a lot of pronouns, there are a lot of categories, right? But in today's video, we are not going to talk about all the categories. I will be explaining them in different videos, right? So for today, I will show you the first column, which is subject pronoun. What is subject pronoun? Subject pronoun here is the pronoun that you need to use to describe or to replace the proper noun, which are I, he, she, it, they, we, and you. So these are basically the subject pronouns that we are going to talk about in today's video. Okay, let's say, for example, he, she, they, we, okay, and it. So in this case as well, if we are talking about someone who is not with us, we will say he. If we are talking about a male, all right, or we will say she. If we are talking about a female, or we will use they. If we are talking about a group of people who are not with us, or we can use we. We, that means you and I. This is we. Alright, so these are the pronouns that we need to use and to replace the proper nouns. So now I'm going to show you some examples related to each pronoun to help you understand the idea much better and why do we need to replace the proper nouns with pronouns. Okay, so let's move on. Sentence number 1. My sister is studying at the library because my sister has an exam tomorrow. We find the word my sister. So in this case, what we need to do is that cancel the second word and add she. So in this case, we can say my sister is studying at the library because she has an exam tomorrow. Let's look at number 2. Jack lives in a city, but Jack likes to go camping every summer. So the same thing, we started the sentence with Jack, but we need to change the second one by using he, because he refers to Jack. Sentence number 3. I put the cookies on the table, but now the cookies aren't there. The first part of the sentence uses cookies. And so what do we need to do is that we need to replace the second cookies with they. Why they? Because they is a replacement for plural subject. So it will be, I put the cookies on the table, but now they aren't there. So this is how you can use subject noun and subject pronoun all you need to do, you need to look at the first subject of the sentence. If it's singular noun, then change it to he, she, or it. But if it's a plural noun, then change it to they, we, or you. Alright, so this is how you can do it. Now, what do we need to do? There is basically a short activity that I want you to practice on your own. So all you need to do, just pause the video for a few minutes until you answer, and then share them in the comment section so we can all view the answers together and then have some group discussion as well. So let's start. So yeah, this is all from me. I really hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Also, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos, and make sure to click on the notification. So in this case, if you have any questions, ideas, grammar topics, things like that, just let me know in the comment section as well. So in this case, I wish you a happy day, and I'll see you on the upcoming video. Bye.